All right, hello, my fellow investors. It's the Intelligent Investor here, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about two stocks that I'm super hyped about. Now, before we start the video, guys, use the link in the description down below to sign up with Acorns. If you do that, because this video is sponsored by them, just know that I'm going to be doing a stock giveaway next weekend, and the stock will be Procter and Gamble. So we finally agreed with that, and yeah, it's going to be Procter and Gamble. So again, use the link in the description down below. Sign up with Acorns to get a chance to win Procter and Gamble. Now, just know that this video is not giving you financial advice. It's me talking about my opinion. So invest at your own risk. Like I always say, only invest where you're willing to lose. So let's start off with the video. The two stocks I actually want to talk about was one recommendation I did yesterday, but another one I want to talk about today. Now, if you were jumping with me, we bought EXPC back at, what was it, $11, and now it's jumping up to 18. Kathy Wood, I'm actually ended up jumping into this stock. She actually ended up buying a bunch of shares. That's why the stock price has been shooting up. And why is this stock getting popularity and stuff like that? The reason is because it's going to merge with a company called Blade. And what is Blade? Blade is a helicopter or electric helicopter service that's going to be pretty much like a taxi. So don't want to really get into it, but yeah, it's pretty much an electric helicopter taxi that can take you to places. I did use Blade when I used to work. We did do the trial thing, so I mean, it was amazing. Once I saw this opportunity open up, I jumped into it. I recommended it to you guys if you guys have been following me for a while, and we're making good profits here. For me, I'm keeping this for the long term. I'm going to keep adding more and more shares because I see the potential and the future growth of this one. Now, if you didn't jump into this one early on, there is another company that's doing something similar, and that's the stock I recommended yesterday. And this one is Atlas Crest Investment. Now this one, it shot up this past week too. I think ARK Invest also invested in this. I'm not too sure, or they're going to, but I'm letting you guys know in early. The stock did shoot up yesterday, but it dropped down a bit today, and I jumped into this, and I'm gonna be getting more into it because it's the same thing. This is more of a, it's the same thing pretty much. It's a taxi, you can say, an air taxi. So this is a little bit different than Blade, but it's a similar concept. And this is pretty much the future. So yeah, this is going to be something that is going to be pretty cool. But Blade is already out there. So that's why they're a little bit more advanced. Atlas Crest is barely starting off. They're working on their models, and they'll be releasing their actual models in 2024. What was it? It was United Airlines who actually ended up buying 200 at $1 billion. So when they start releasing their product, they will be the first ones to get the units, which is going to be 200 units. And what United Airlines is going to do with it is pretty much, let's say, here, like I'm here in California, Southern California. So for me, it takes me about like an hour and a half, maybe two, to get to LAX because of traffic. It's completely insane. So what United Airlines wants to do is, if I guess I book with them, I can take one of those little flying jet, whatever the heck they are, the same thing like helicopter things, and I can actually go to LA, and it takes me about 20 minutes. So it's just going to be very beneficial. It's going to be cool. I think the charge is going to be about, they said it was going to be like $3 a mile. So I think it's worth it compared to dealing with traffic and just driving yourself crazy. But this is the future, guys. Like I said, the units are going to be coming out in 2024. So this is a good long-term investment. Once they actually merge, this stock is going to shoot up, but the potential is later on in the future. There's only two companies that are doing this, which is Atlas Crest and Blade. Blade is a little bit more advanced because they're already rolling it out. They already have their product, and they're trying to roll it out. Atlas Crest is still in development, so it still has potential to grow. But Atlas Crest, they're actually getting a lot of attention, and they're bringing in a lot of funds. So, I mean, I'm telling you now, jump into it. If you guys want to jump into it, do a little bit of research. But I jumped into it today. I bought 100 shares, and I'm going to probably be buying. I'm going to be buying more. So just check it out. Like I said, this could be a potential future growth stock. This could be a $200 stock back like in 2024, 2025. So if you invest early, you load up on shares, there's a potential huge profit much later on. But if you're patient, you'll be getting huge returns. So Atlas, Crest, and EXPC. So, I mean, I only own a few shares here in Robinhood, but I do own a lot in Fidelity. That's where I have my huge investments. So, I mean, those are the two stocks I wanted to recommend. Like I said, you guys are going to be some of the first ones to see it here. So, a lot of people don't know about these companies yet. So, just check them out. Like I said, we jumped into these really early. And, you know, let's just try to make some money here. But just wait to check out my next video. I'm going to be talking about long-term investment stocks, which is, I feel, going to be really good and really beneficial for a lot of you. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys did like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's also hit 5,000 subscribers probably by the end of February. If we can do that, I'm also going to be giving another free stock that is going to be worth, I'm just going to say it's going to be Apple. So I'm going to be giving it a free Apple stock once we hit 5,000 subscribers. And I'll be doing a little raffle for that. Now, that's just for hitting 5,000 subscribers. All my subscribers are going to qualify for that. But if you guys want to win Procter & Gamble, like I said, use the link in the description down below. And sign up with Acorns. And you will be, entered to win. I only have about 10 people that have done it so far. So your chances of winning are actually high. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time.